Hi, my name is Ellie.
Hey there, pal! Welcome back to the Clubhouse, and also, I will show you something. I got 6 tickets to go to the fair. This will be really amazing. Oh, I guess my Clubhouse crew are here.
Did somebody say fair? I really love going to the fair.
Anyways, guys, I bought 6 tickets so we can go to the fair.
Yay!
And I can't wait to ride on a roller coaster.
Whoa! Thomas! What happened?
Nothing, just nothing.
Maybe you have a hiccups. So we need to get rid of your hiccups. And oh no! I got a hiccups too!
Gosh, you both have hiccups. And I have a hiccups too.
How we can rid of your and Sebastian's hiccups? Me, EAC, and Misu got hiccups too.
Now how can we get rid of our hiccups?
Wait, I know how. Hey everybody, would you like to get rid of our hiccups so we can go to the fair?
Thank you for listening.
You will? Hot